if it changes by a fixed factor per unit time, not by a fixed quantity, by a fixed factor. Factor is something about a ratio, or a fixed factor per unit change of the independent variable x. So this is the basic meaning of this exponential function. This is the growth factor per unit time. In the previous example, I supposed 1.05, and I explained this by saying it is a 5% increase. In fact, this is a growth factor, but we can compute the corresponding growth rate. Keep in mind that there is a big difference between a factor and a rate. When you compute a factor, you take a variable and you take the ratio between the two values, the current value and the next value. When you compute a rate, you do the same, but then you subtract 1. So basically you subtract the current value, you take the ratio, and then you subtract 1, which is no growth, okay? And you compare, you see what the result is. So basically the growth rate is A minus 1, okay? Because the growth factor is A, then you subtract 1, it is A minus 1. So in the previous case, a growth factor of 1.05 corresponds to a growth rate of 0.05. 0.05 can also be denoted as 5%. Because 5% means 5 over 100. So 0.05 is by definition 5%. So this is an example. Suppose that a quantity that could be, this is a growth factor, but in fact it doesn't grow, it declines. Okay, this is an example. Growth factor can also be negative. Negative growth. This is a growth factor. The quantity y, which can be regarded as the value of a physical asset, for instance, capital stock of an economy, decreases by 5% per unit time. This is very natural assumption, for instance, because if you don't make new investments, so the value of your assets declines over